So we're in Olympic National Park in the skinny strip down in the lower left-hand side of it. And approaching beach number 4. Going to be here for a couple days. And, you know, the funny thing is we're actually going to be heading up to Canada, like Lake Louise area, and we might be coming sort of near where you are. Olympic National Park. We're at the Hoh Rain Forest, HOH, in Olympic National Park. And we are camping here for one night. There's steelhead here and trout and whatnot. So yeah, this is the Blue River behind you.
Did we bring my fishing pole?
No.
Damn.
We didn't. We left it behind.
Week 4 of the road trip, and all is good.
Yeah.
Having a good time.
Mm-hmm.
Hope you're all having fun at work. Campsites in the B loop.
And Ellie's friend would go crazy, Steve. Yeah, he studies moss.
Studies moss. Well, this is known as the club moss.
That's cool. Looks like one fell midway up. That's weird.
Oh, that's right. Where's the big bad wolf?
Look at this tree's roots. Just like the sun goes through. Trees often seem to stand on stilts as the nurse log molders away.
Don't really get under that.
I'll get right here.
That's like the biggest spider in the world lives, I think.
In there?
Probably. Yeah, I wouldn't get in there.
Oh yeah, no way. No, I don't want to get in there.
He's even better over there. There he is. Yeah.